Hello everybody, another video, another project. Today's project is transforming this Uniqlo oversized floral dress into a halter romper. First off, I trimmed the sleeves off of the dress, so I have the top to work with. Since I am doing a romper, I need two different pieces for the top and for the shorts. So here I am cutting the dress into two sides. For this project, I made a pattern to make sure I get the correct measurements because this is a non-stretch fabric. So on my pattern is how much fabric I would need for the top, including the 1-inch allowance. So since I don't have enough fabric, using the back side of the top, I am going to fold 5 inches per side and trim out what I don't need. With the pattern in place, it will be much easier to cut out all the excess fabric. Let's reveal after we have cut out all the excess fabric, and voila! We have the bigger part of the puzzle. So since I still need 5 inches per side, I will recycle or upcycle the back portion that I tossed out earlier so I can create the whole piece of the top. Now I will be laying out all the 3 parts that I cut out earlier, the centerpiece and the sides. And we have perfectly cut the fabric according to our pattern. At dahil nga 3 pieces yung top natin, we have to sew things together. I will be just doing a simple stitch, and also I am hemming the sides to give it a cleaner look. This is why it is important na meron tayong seam allowance. It is for us to do a clean hemming in which we will fold the fabric twice, and then that's when we sew. Kasi pag kulang yung seam allowance nyo, mabibitin yung length na desired nyo for the project, or hindi kayo makakagawa ng clean hemming. I also made a pattern for the shorts with 1-inch allowance. Making sure the fabric is laid flat, I then pinned the pattern on the fabric and then cut through the line that I traced. And do the same thing on the other side. This dress actually came with pockets, and I wanted to save the pockets for this romper. I am a pocket person, so as much as possible, lahat ng damit ko ay may pockets sana. So, here I have the 2 pieces together. I am laying them flat down, making sure na wala siyang crumple anywhere so I can pin it in place and sew it afterwards. With the shorts facing right sides together, I am doing a simple stitch to join them both. Since this is the shorts, it has to be snug and the stitches had to be strong. So what I'm going to do is I am going to run through again after siya matahi. So I have 2 stitches on the shorts per side. After joining them both, here is the end result. Now, ang kulang na lang is joining the crotch together. If you're curious paano gawin yung pattern for the shorts, this is what you're gonna do. You're going to pick a short that fits you well, and this is what fits me best, and you're gonna fold it lengthwise and then land it on your pattern. Make sure to leave allowance on the shorts itself and also seam allowance. I am thinking of adding loops sa likod because I wanted to add crisscross straps for the details on the top. So what I did for the loops is I folded both sides twice and then they meet in the middle, tapos tinahil ko siya using a simple stitch. Cutting the loops into equal parts, ito yung plano kong maging outcome niya on the top itself. Now let's try if it works. So I folded it once, inserted the loop, and then folded it again. Tapos the loop will be facing outwards, and I am going to sew it that way. That's why kailangan ko siya medyo mahaba because it will be popping out like that. I am planning to put 3 loops per side. That means I need to sew in 6 loops to make perfect crisscross effect on the top. Sewing in the loops is a little bit of a challenge because this is something that I just came up with and I'm not sure if it's supposed to be done that way. So I was just hoping for the best, and I have high hopes because I really think it will work. It's not for me to say. So sa sobrang kapal niya kasi sa dami ng layers, there are stitches that skipped as you can see here, but that's okay. And I am trying my best to do a better job on the other side. After kong magawa yung mga loops on the back of the top, I will be hemming the shorts to give it a cleaner look. Here are the straps that I got from all the scrap material that was left from the dress. Around 3 meters yung strap. Now, buo na yung shorts. Buo na yung top. The challenge now is to make sure that the top sits at the center and it is even on the shorts. Once I made sure that it is even, I pin it in place so I can sew it in a bit. I will also be hemming the back portion of the shorts that is left sticking out. Adding in the final details, I will be adding the strap, doing a little dart on both sides to make it fit me more. And we are done! It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you want more of my thrift flips, be sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!